There's a reason Kling 3.0 has people paying attention before it's even released. And it's not just because of feature rumors or spec leaks. It's because Kling is following a very specific evolution path that most AI video tools never reach. Instead of chasing flashy upgrades, Kling has been quietly fixing the hardest problems first. Problems that don't show well in marketing demos, but completely decide whether a tool is usable in real projects. And that's exactly why Kling 3.0 feels like a turning point. If you look back at earlier AI video models, most of them focused on short visual spectacle, 5 seconds of something impressive. Enough to surprise you, but not enough to trust. As soon as you tried to build a real sequence, everything started falling apart. Kling's recent updates suggest that this phase is ending. One of the strongest signals is how consistency has become a priority. Character identity, scene logic, visual memory. These aren't optional anymore. They're requirements for any serious creative workflow. Kling 01, also known as Omni, gave us the first real glimpse of this shift. Creators noticed that characters stopped drifting as quickly. Scenes felt more aware of what came before. It wasn't perfect, but it was different. That difference matters, because consistency isn't about visuals looking nicer. It's about predictability. When a model behaves predictably, creators can plan around it. They can build longer ideas. They can think in sequences instead of isolated clips. Kling 3.0 appears to be designed around that exact idea. Another major signal is how Kling has been testing complexity instead of avoiding it. Motion control updates weren't about pretty still shots. They were about stress testing the model under difficult conditions. Fast movement, physical interaction, camera dynamics over time. Most AI video tools avoid these scenarios because they expose weaknesses. Kling seems to be doing the opposite, actively pushing into them. That tells you something about their confidence in where the system is heading. Then there's audio. Audio might sound secondary in AI video discussions, but in practice, it's one of the biggest deal breakers. Poor lip sync or disconnected sound instantly breaks immersion. Kling 2.6 addressed this head-on with native audio generation, not as an add-on, but as part of the core workflow. That move alone signaled a shift toward more complete production-ready output. When you combine audio, motion, and memory, you start seeing the outline of Kling 3.0, not as a single feature drop, but as a unification of everything Kling has been testing separately. This idea of unification keeps coming up in community discussions for a reason. Fragmented workflows are the biggest productivity killer in AI video right now. Generate a clip, regenerate it, fix one thing, break another. Export, stitch, correct, repeat. Kling 3.0 is expected to reduce this cycle by handling more of the creative process internally. Generation, refinement, and continuity working together instead of fighting each other. That's why longer generation duration is such a big deal. Short clips are manageable even with inconsistency. Longer clips expose every weakness instantly. Temporal drift, physics errors, identity loss. Public expectations suggest Kling 3.0 could support longer native clips with much stronger stability. Even modest increases here dramatically change how creators work. Less stitching, less patching, more flow. And flow is everything in creative work. Another expectation that keeps surfacing is multi-shot generation. Instead of prompting single clips, creators want to describe sequences. Shot order, camera changes, scene rhythm. Kling 3.0 is rumored to move closer to this cinematic logic, where prompts guide structure instead of just visuals. This is where AI video stops being a novelty tool and starts behaving like a creative partner. Resolution also plays a psychological role here. Native 4K output isn't just about sharpness, it's about signaling intent. It tells creators and clients that this tool is meant for serious use, not just experimentation. High-resolution output opens doors to advertising, professional content, and platforms where quality expectations are higher. It changes how AI video is perceived. And then there's editing control. One of the most frustrating aspects of current AI video workflows is how all or nothing they are. Fix one detail, regenerate everything. Kling 3.0 is expected to introduce more localized control, allowing creators to modify specific regions or elements without resetting the entire clip. This aligns closely with how traditional editing works and dramatically improves iteration speed. Physics and interaction improvements are another area where expectations are high. I.e., touching, grabbing, hugging, fighting. These moments often reveal the limits of AI video instantly. Recent Kling updates suggest these issues are being actively addressed, not ignored. If Kling 3.0 improves interaction realism even slightly, it would have a huge impact on storytelling and emotional scenes. What makes all of this compelling is how well it matches broader shifts in the AI industry. The excitement phase is giving way to the reliability phase. Creators are no longer impressed by what AI can do once. They care about what it can do consistently. Kling 3.0 appears to be built for that reality. Reliable output, faster iteration, less technical babysitting, more creative control. That's especially powerful for solo creators and small teams. AI video that actually saves time instead of creating new problems is the real goal. All current Kling models are already accessible on Higgsfield, which gives creators a chance to experience pieces of this future today. Each model feels like a test run for something larger. Kling 3.0 looks like the moment those tests converge. Nothing is officially confirmed yet. Expectations are based on signals, not guarantees. But the direction is becoming harder to dismiss. If Kling 3.0 delivers on its promise, it won't just improve AI video quality. It will change how creators think about using AI in production workflows. And that's why this release matters. Not because it's new, but because it feels necessary. Thanks for watching.